Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Cricut Heart, and I have a haul for you guys. Just kind of a random haul of things that I had purchased because they were really good deal on discount. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first was the LDRS Creative. They had 31, I think it's 30, was it 31 or 35% off? I can't remember exactly because it took a while for them to ship this. I believe I bought it on Halloween, and it's like November the 9th. So it took about 10 days to get here. This is a Build-A-Card Wicked Boot, which I think is adorable, and I'm planning to turn this into also an elf boot. So I love it. I'm going to think about how to make it into an elf boot. I probably need like a buckle, and so I'm going to work on that. I just got the Wicked cardstock because I have the Wicked paper pad that goes with this, and I just think that it would be easier to work with it if I have, you know, the paper pad too. So I did get that. And then the Sweet Stamp Shop was doing a big, huge clearance. So I did buy some things. This right here is a circle slider. It was 70% off. It was like $4 or $5 maybe. And then I can't remember if I have these or not, but they were so cheap. So these are just dies that go with their collections. So I did get those. Not that you care about that, but I did get this stamp set for, I think, $4 or $5. Really cute. This is, I forget what it's called, Aloha. And then I got this one. I've been wanting this one. I thought it'd be really cute to make a Christmas cards with this. Deck the Palms. This is a buck or two. This was, I think, a buck. And this is the Irish Kitty. And then I did get a bunch of their stickers, which I have a bunch of their stickers, but they were only 50 cents. So these are the sorts of things that I really should be bringing with me to baseball practice and games and coloring them. So they were 50 cents. So this was a pretty good deal. I think I spent $30 or something like that. Oh, I have one more thing. I got this one right here, which is, I really wanted this one too. And this one is called Witch Face. It's super cute. So it doesn't tell me what I spent, but I think it was like $30. It was not very much at all. So the other thing that I want to share with you guys is on Halloween. Did I order all of it? Oh, yeah. Actually, this is two different things. So on Halloween, Your Scrapbook Stash, I think it is. They're the companion store to cheap scrapbook stuff. So they had a 35% off coupon. So I bought a couple things. One was something I've been wanting, which is the Doodlebug All Occasions Cardstock Value Pack. So you get 50 sheets of double-sided paper. It has everything from birthdays to camping to Christmas. It's just got a whole kit and caboodle in here of paper to play with. So I thought it might be fun to do some projects with that. So I did get that. I'm not going to open it up because it's not like a regular paper pad where the pages are together. They're all loose sheets all over the place. So I will open that when I'm not going to have the cleaners come to my house. So I did also get from them a couple sheets of the Sweater Weather collection from American Crafts. A couple of my favorite sheets. I love that ugly sweater one, and I love this floral. I just love how all that goes together. I got that as well as this one right here, which is the sticker sheet for Sweater Weather, which I think is adorable. And then some other things that I got as well. The Cozy and Bright collection. I just really like this collection. I think it's so cute. It does have like glittered sheets and everything. I mean, I'm so decked out with Christmas paper that it's just insane. How can anybody even use up all of that? But what are you going to do? So let me show you the rest of the stuff that I got from there as well at 35% off. A couple pieces of the Merry Days that I didn't have. I got the puffy stickers. I got these shaker tags and globes. And then I got a bunch of these little, did I order these? I do not remember ordering 4 things of these Doodle Pops. Oh. I ordered one of the Tiny Trees Doodle Bop, and then I ordered the gingerbread, but I guess they were out, so they gave me 4 of these. Okay, so I ordered one, and then the gingerbread, and they were out, so then they sent me all of these, which is super cute. I thought these would be really cute on tags. They'd be cute on envelopes and just little accents. So I did get that. And then the last thing that I want to show you, and I saw this on, I want to say Poet Spice channel. She showed a haul of the polka doodles that she bought on HSN. So I had to go to HSN and see them and get them. And they had a special kind of thing going on that if you paid with your MasterPass, which is basically you kind of sign up through MasterCard and you link your MasterCard to it, you got $20 off a $40 purchase, which is amazing. So these 3 dies normally, I believe, are $48 or $49, and then you have to pay $3.50 shipping. So maybe it was $44. I think it was $44. So anyway, it was $25. Such a good deal. And I think with tax and shipping and everything, these came to just under $10 a die, which is amazing for these type of dies. Because if you go to Polka Doodle's website, the Winnie dies are like $21 or something like that. So it was a really good deal. And so you get all the pieces to make the girls as well as a face stamp, which I think is adorable. And then you can mix and match the girls. So I got this one, which is gift for you. And I wish I had time to cut these all out to show you guys, which I will do when I get a chance. This one is called Miss Pretty. Super cute. And then I loved this one with the cute little dog, which is called Puppy Princess, which I think is just so cute. There's even like little pieces that you can layer this dog. And someone said you can make it probably into a cat as well. I'm not interested in making it into a cat, but you probably could. And I just think it's just so cute. And I'm so excited to get these 3 dies for such a good price. So that is my random haul. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with the Heart.